Hey Locksmiths, are you looking for an affordable professional website to advertise your services? You're in the right spot, so keep watching this video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use the multi-site platform to build a simple and affordable website for your Locksmith service. Let's jump in. Now, if you randomly stumbled across this video today, you aren't quite familiar with the multi-site service yet, so welcome to our YouTube channel. Multi-site is an easy-to-use website generator for small businesses. It was designed to make creating websites fast and simple. Absolutely no coding is required. It's really affordable. It's only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is a free trial available for 7 days. You don't even have to put your credit card details in like most other online services to just start the free trial. So be sure to click on the link below this video to get started. Once you've registered an account, the first thing it's going to ask you to do is to search for your markets. Now, as you can see, we've got hundreds of different markets to choose from for various small businesses. I'm going to head to the top and search for my market, Locksmith. There it is over there. I'm now going to go ahead and select that template. Great, let's tell multi-sites a few basic details about our very own business so it can generate a simple website for us. Pop in your business name, city and state or region. Doesn't matter where in the world you're operating from, you can enjoy the multi-site service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Once you click that continue button, multi-sites will do all the hard work and generate a simple website for your business with the information you've just put in. It will also automatically bring up this pop-up showing you how to customize your new website, but I'm going to close that off for now because I'm going to be the one to show you around, show you how easy it is to make any changes to your brand new website, make it a bit more personalized to your very own business. Now, the great thing about the multi-site platform, which makes us a little bit different, is that we've actually pre-written all the content for you. This is just a guideline, of course, that can be edited. And we pre-selected all the images as well. They're all really high quality and they're completely free for you to use as well. However, I'm sure you've got some of your own images. You'd like to make the content a bit more personalized to your business. Let your customers know how you got into the industry, a little bit background, how your business came to be. To make any changes, you absolutely don't need to know any coding, as I mentioned. You don't need to be a web professional in any kind of way, and you certainly don't need to be very tech savvy either. It's literally simple enough to launch and manage from your smartphone. So let's get started. Let me show you how easy it is to make any changes. I'm going to click on the first section at the top. Over here, I'm going to put in my email address, and I want to make sure that that's visible to my customers. So let's go ahead and check that box. Great. Phone number is click to call, and physical location, maybe you're a mobile business, but if not, then pop in your physical location over here, your website. Your customers can actually click on that address and be taken directly to Google Maps for directions when your website's live. Underneath update social links, you can put in the various social media platforms of your business. Once you've done so, the icons will be displayed at the top as well as at the bottom of your new website. So your customers can give you a follow on social media and get some engagement going. If you have a business logo, head on over to the next section to upload it. Over here, you can make minor edits to your logo by clicking on that pencil icon. Otherwise, here on the right is where you can resize your logo to make it bigger and smaller to fit into that section a little bit better. To change the colors, all you need to do is click on that paint icon, go through the various color palette options. There are so many to choose from. Now, for each section you'd like to make a bit more personalized to your business, maybe change those call to action buttons or the images, just click on update section. Underneath update image, you'll have the option to upload your own images or search through the photo library. We've literally got hundreds of free high quality images to choose from. You can also connect your Instagram accounts and pull in those photos from your profile. Underneath update action, we have those call to action buttons. You can change the text on the buttons and where they link to. You have the option to upload a PDF file, link to an action like click to call, directions, or link to another website perhaps, or a section of your new website like the lead form at the bottom. As mentioned, the lead form right at the bottom is where your customers can easily reach out to you. You can keep track of all your leads coming in your Mighty dashboard. Domains are really easy as well. If you happen to already purchase a custom domain, you can connect it easily by clicking on that button at the bottom. Mighty Sites makes use of entry to easily connect your domain. It literally does it for you. Otherwise, if you don't have a custom domain yet, we really recommend that you get one to make your website look even more professional and trustworthy, stand out from all your local competitors. Go ahead and click on that button as well. You can actually have the option to purchase a custom domain via the Mighty Sites platform as well. I really hope that short tutorial was helpful in building a simple and affordable website for your locksmith business on the Mighty Sites platform. I'm really wishing you and your business Mighty success. If you have any questions about Mighty Sites, pop them down below. I'll be happy to answer them. Don't forget to check out our other videos for some great great advice and valuable information on marketing your small business. All the best.